Class 48 of Power Electronics, single phase full converter with RLE load. RLE load. Full converter means all the devices, all the switches, all the power semiconductor devices will be controlled type, means SCRs for example, not diodes. RLE load means this is similar to a separately excited DC motor. E is like back EMF and these are the winding resistance and inductances. Now let us see the operation. During positive half cycle, this will be positive, this will be negative. So T1 and T2 can be fired. During negative half cycle, T3 and T4 can be fired. Say we fire T1 and T2 at alpha. Note that alpha should be above some value theta. Theta is here. See, this is the DC voltage level. Till the AC value does not cross this DC value, T1 and T2 cannot be forward biased. So, you can fire only after theta. So, alpha is here, little bit after theta. Once we fire, load will get voltage. So, this is the load voltage. T1 and T2 will now conduct. From here, T1 and T2 will begin to conduct. Till the supply voltage is higher than DC voltage level, load current will be increasing. You can see here. After that, load current decreases. But due to inductance effect, even though supply voltage becomes zero, the load current will continue to flow, and hence for that duration output voltage will be negative, obviously. Then at pi plus alpha we can fire T3 and T4, that is in the negative half cycle. When we fire T3 and T4, see in the negative half cycle these two are forward biased. Now when we fire T3 and T4, T1 and T4 are automatically natural commutated due to reverse voltage being applied across them. See, T1 and T2 are conducting in positive half cycle. Okay, due to inductive effect, we have crossed a little bit here. We have come till pi plus alpha. At pi plus alpha, when we fire T3 and T4, see, during negative half cycle, this will be positive. Now, when we fire T3, this positive, during negative half cycle, this will be positive. This will appear at cathode of T1 and this will be negative during negative half cycle. So this will appear or this will get connected to positive of or anode of T1. Similarly, This is positive during negative half cycle. Positive will touch now cathode of T2 and negative will touch positive of T2 because you have fired T4 now at pi plus alpha. So this is now short. So this positive at pi plus alpha will now touch, sorry, this negative at pi plus alpha will touch anode of T2. Hence, naturally, the other two thyristors, the conducting thyristors, will get commutated. So, when the supply voltage is above the DC level, load current will be increasing. During the other time, the load is decreasing, current will be decreasing. The source current will have positive and negative. Load current will not have negative because it is rectification. The one of the thyristors voltage is here. So thyristor will conduct from alpha to pi plus alpha. The load current is assumed here as continuous. In your syllabus, there is only continuous operation. The average voltage is given by this formula. You don't have the derivation, it needs integration, etc. for the derivation. If possible, you remember, otherwise, no need. You just understand that when alpha is lesser than 90, this will be positive. Average output voltage will be positive. When alpha is greater than 90 degrees, the average output voltage will be negative. It is simple to understand. See here, alpha is lesser than 90 degrees here. So positive portion is more than negative portion. As you increase alpha, positive portion will be lesser, will become lesser, negative portion will increase. So average output voltage will now become less positive. At alpha 90 degrees exactly, positive part will be equal to negative part and average output voltage will be 0. When you increase alpha beyond 90 degrees, you will get lesser positive and more negative. So average output will be negative. During that period, the circuit can act as inverter. Means power can be fed from the load to the source. But on one condition, the EMF should be reversed because the current direction cannot be changed due to SCR. See, current is flowing like this. If we want to feed back power to the source, you will have to reverse this for the duration of the inversion mode. This is the characteristics. So rectification, inversion. Alpha lesser than 90 degrees, alpha more than 90 degrees, quadrant 4. Alpha lesser than 90 degrees, quadrant 1. Current is single direction. Voltage can be, output voltage can be positive or negative. That's all.